Hey guys, I'm gonna be playing with my dog Mia. Mia, come over here. Okay, let's go get some toys. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Come over here. Do you want to play? Yes. Okay, I'll go grab her a toy. Okay, this toy and maybe some of that toy. Okay. Oh my god, Mia, don't slip. Stop. Sit down. Sit down. Good girl. Okay, Mia, what do you want to do now? As you can see, this is my backyard. Looks kind of nice. Hi, Mia. Come here, come here, come here. My dog Mia wants to play. Mia, you wanna play?
You wanna grab something? Don't try to act like you care.
Let's go.
If you're hungry.
On the couch you go.
I'm not hungry.
Okay. Yeah, you just relax. You just relax.
You're 14. It's too young to go.
My dog always gets confused. Like, she doesn't know what's happening, so she just does this. And when she stretches, she goes like this. Yeah, but I can't do that because she's not doing it. So, yeah, that's my dog. Like, thumbs up for this video, and subscribe to my channel, and have a good day, right? No, yes, have a good day, have a good day, have a good day, have a good day. My mom's sleeping. So yeah, that's my little doggy. Okay, Mia, what do you want to tell us about your life? Well, it's kind of fun, yeah. It's kind of fun, right? My life is perfect. Hey, why are you recording me? Why are you guys looking at me? I didn't do anything. She's looking at my mom's sweet. Look at your mommy sweet. Yeah. Your toy! Your toy, your toy, your toy! Your toy, your toy, your toy! Okay, Mia. Say goodbye. Bye-bye.
2 years ago, a dead male turned up in Presidio Park. Massive amount of
Okay.
defensive wounds.
Now it's Mia time.
Save him up. And after that.
And